I saw this. I was like, what? This is Higa's gift for me. Let's unbox this. I honestly don't know what this is. Let's see what. I think I know what it is. It's so cute. Oh, love this. I know what this one is. Oh, this is cute. It's blue. Wow. Okay. Thank you. Chicken. Hi guys.
You don't like it?
Hello. 라드 카리카리 지금 라드. 짜잔. Cheers. This is Manhattan at 6 a.m. in the morning. I'm on my way to my part-time job. Officially home just in time. It started snowing and I'm home. Thank God. We have a expected snowstorm tonight, and obviously it has already started snowing. I love seeing snowfall because it's so beautiful, like, but I hate it once it's done snowing. New Yorkers, you can understand how I feel. So happy to be home. Let's see the snow. Whoa. What is this? And it's still snowing. Oh my god. I came out to buy something and I totally forgot my mask. Thankfully, Yiga has something. Good. आज के मेन्यू में है 2 पराठे, 1 स्कैलिन के साथ अंडा और ओकरा जी, नमस्ते भाई, और अचार और सम चिली पाउडर और थोड़ी सी सलाद बनाया मैंने सेसमी ऑयल और सॉल्ट के साथ. क्यूकम्बर और ग्रीन मिक्स है इधर. और फिर यहाँ पे है हमरा चाय, हमरा सबसे बढ़िया chai coffee. And this is the situation right now. It's a mess, I know. Time to indulge in food. Hey guys, I'm editing this video right now and I realized that I didn't really show you guys everything I got, so here they are and we'll just go over it. I don't know, maybe some of you guys like seeing gifts. This is the first thing I received. It's actually like a tumbler with straw on it. You can just walk and talk and drink at the same time. This is a really cute color. During winter, I usually like to just drink hot water, and so I haven't started using this, but thank you Dechen for this. I love the color. That's my first one. I don't have a lot, okay guys, so, and I don't have a lot of friends either. And then we got some makeup stuff. This is all from Glossier. I already opened all the packages. This is a boy brow. It's kind of like a gel in there, okay, so it makes it stay up wherever, however you want to put your eyebrows. This is a mascara. It looks something like this. I've started using it. I like it also. And then this is the blush. Can you see, guys? So let's just put a tad bit. You don't need a lot, so yeah, because it just like kind of gives me a little brightness on my face and some redness and some everything. Blush, like, you know, there's circulation going on. Sometimes we look too pale and that's not good, so you need blush in your life. Isn't this a nice color? Just like a natural blush, and it looks something like this. Last but not the least, I have this Glossier lipstick. It's in jam. I think all of these came in a package, so you could actually buy a whole set. It looks kind of dark when you look at it, but it's not. Apply a tad bit of it and just be ready to head out without having to put a lot of it. In terms of makeup, I'm very like minimalist, particularly because I don't know a lot about makeup and I'm not very like into makeup, so but yeah, this is the kind of look that I go for. This one actually excites me a lot because it's a hot desk. Thank you so much, Youngchin, for this. Such a great gift for a person who is like into making videos and stuff. I've already started storing my footages here and it's amazing. Thank you, Youngchin. Last but not least, I have these shoes. This is the Prime Blue Ultra Boost. So comfortable. I don't know why I'm touching the sole. It must be dirty right now, but yeah, Vessel got this for me since I'm a nurse. I've started wearing them and it's so comfortable. Pretty lightweight. It does have a weight, but it's not as heavy. If you're a nurse or if you work somewhere where you have to stand a lot or on your feet a lot, then I would recommend you to get one of these. And this is Adidas Prime Blue, so go check it out. I think that's that. On that note, I'm gonna end this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I don't know why I do this. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you're new to this channel, you can subscribe to my channel if you like my content, and also click that like button if you like this video, and if you don't, there's a button right next to it. And yeah, for any other comments, just write it on the comments down below. I'll see you guys in the next one. This is Sonam's Life. Bye. I haven't said this in